Hello, Harvest here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any issue on Tripadvisor app on the iOS. So first thing what you want to do is just go up to the App Store, find your Tripadvisor app, Tripadvisor, take the app, and you need to check if you have the newest version. If that's the most common issue, you don't have updated the app. But if you update the app and have the newest version like me, and you still got some issues, I'm gonna show you how to fix them all. More ways. So first, go to the settings, go to the apps, find your Tripadvisor app, right there, and you need to set all the settings to the fabric, like mine, like here. Siri, all the fabrics, search, all the fabrics, background number fresh on, and language doesn't really matter. After this, the rest of issues should be fixed, but if not, I'm gonna show you last way. The last way is just you hold your app, remove the app, uninstall this, go back to the App Store and just reinstall the app. After this, every single issue should be fixed. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.